Hello students, I am Ms. Benvina Fernandez, welcoming you back again to the next session. The next topic I have taken is from your grammar book, chapter 3, Subject-Verb Agreement. Now let's look at the video and see what a subject and verb agreement means.
Subject-Verb Agreement. Wow, the colors in the rainbow is beautiful. The colors in the rainbow are beautiful. Why is that? The subjects and verbs in a sentence must agree with one another in number. What that means is, if a subject is plural, the verb must also be plural. And if a subject is singular, its verb must also be singular. Exactly. The verb must agree with the subject of the sentence. This is known as subject-verb agreement. That's fairly easy, isn't it? Mostly yes. If you know the rules of when a subject is considered singular, you will never make a mistake. Tell me the rules. Remember, singular subjects take singular verbs. For example, the cat moves. Here, the singular subject, the cat, takes the singular verb moves. Now, when we say the cats move, the plural subject cats takes the plural verb move. Similarly, the singular pronouns he, she, and it take the singular verbs is, was, and has, while the plural we and they use the plural verbs are, were, and have. Although you is a singular pronoun, it uses plural verbs. What about I? Well, I is a peculiar singular subject. It uses the singular verbs am and was, as well as the plural verb have. Now, let's look at some interesting subjects. Number 1. Two nouns joined by and refer to one and the same thing, and hence functions as a singular subject, taking a singular verb with it. Number 2. Phrases that come between a singular noun and the verb does not affect the number of the noun. For example, Marty, a small alien and my good friend, lives with me. Number 3. In case of subjects like neither, either, no one, each, we use singular verbs. For example, either works for me, neither works for me, and so on. Number 4. Collective nouns are usually considered singular, so we use singular verbs with them. The bouquet of roses looks beautiful. Similarly, nouns such as mathematics and news are singular, hence take singular verbs. Phew, that's a lot of singular and plural rules to keep in mind. You will get the hang of it. Don't worry, just keep practicing. Let's do a quick recall. Alright, today I learned about subject-verb agreement. In a sentence, the subject must always agree with the verb. This is called subject-verb agreement. If a subject is singular, the verb must also be singular. Verbs are singular when the subject is a singular noun or singular pronouns, two nouns joined by and refer to one and the same thing. Phrases come between a singular noun and the verb, leaving the noun unaffected. Subjects like neither, either, no one, each are used in a sentence. The subject is a collective noun. The subject is a noun such as mathematics or news. See you again with more exciting topics. Bye bye.
As you know, a subject means the person, place, or thing which the sentence is speaking about, and verb means an action done by that particular subject. They both have to agree. Singular will go for singular subject and plural will go for plural subject. Now let's look at exercise 1. You need to choose the correct form of the verb. The first one, my friend verb was already here when I came. Second one, Naina plays basket. Third, I drink milk daily. Fourth, one of my teachers writes articles in a newspaper. Fifth, none of my friends sits next to me. Sixth, Rajat and his friends meets for coffee in the cafeteria. Check your answers for exercise 1. The first answer was. The second, plays. Third, drink. Fourth, writes. Fifth, sit. Sixth, meet. Let's take a look at the second exercise. Write the form of the verb that agrees with the subject. Now you have to write the form of the verb given in the bracket to agree with the subject. First one, Angela dash ketchup on her egg. Second, he dash that I am a nice friend. Third, they dash home after school. Fourth, we dash water instead of juice. It's better for us. 5. I dash with my mother every day. Now you can do the answers. Let's check your done answers. First answer was Angela puts ketchup on her eggs. Second, he thinks that I am a nice friend. Third, they walk home after school. Fourth, we drink water instead of juice. It's better for us. 5. I talk with my mother every day. If you have got all the answers right, very good. Thank you students for listening. I hope you have understood the subject and verb agreement well and hope you will not do mistakes while you speak. Thank you.